To customize the Quick Access toolbar, click on the Customize Quick Access toolbar icon. A list of commands that you can add to or remove from the Quick Access toolbar are listed in the drop-down. The checked commands are already included in the Quick Access toolbar. If you click on a checked command, you will remove that command from the Quick Access toolbar. If you click on an unchecked command, you will add that command to the Quick Access toolbar. Although this is a limited list, you can add other commands that you know you will use frequently if you click on More Commands. If you click on More Commands, you will launch the Excel Options dialog box with the Quick Access toolbar selected. You can select a command here, then click on Add to add it to the Quick Access toolbar. You can also select a command on the Quick Access toolbar and click on Remove to remove it from the Quick Access toolbar. You can reorder commands here, and you can reset customization. When you are done, click OK. To customize the ribbon, right-click anywhere on the ribbon. You will be provided with the option to customize the ribbon. Click on the option to customize the ribbon. Again, that will launch the Excel Options dialog box, this time with the Customize ribbon selected. This is where the tabs, groups, and commands are organized in the ribbon. Note that the Home tab includes the Clipboard group, the Font group, the Alignment group, the Number group, the Styles group, the Cells group, and the Editing group. These are the groups on the ribbon for the Home tab. On the Clipboard group of the Home tab, commands are organized. You can see the paste, copy, cut, format printer, and Office Clipboard commands. Those are the commands in the Clipboard group. You can hide a tab. For instance, the Developer tab, which is already on the ribbon, can be removed from the ribbon if you uncheck the Developer tab. If I click OK, then the Developer tab is no longer on the ribbon. It is also possible to create a new tab on the ribbon, create groups within the tab, and add commands to the group in the tab. You can explore these for yourself. When you are done, click OK. To customize the status bar, right-click on the status bar. On the list provided, the checked items are active on the status bar. The unchecked items are not active on the status bar. If you click a checked item, you will remove that item from the status bar. If you click on an unchecked item, you will add that item to the status bar.